Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook ad for maximum ROI. So for this, I am here on Ad Manager. So first of all, click on Create Ad and choose a campaign objective. So I will go with awareness here and then click on OK. Now here you need to name your campaign first, then categorize your ad. So I will go with financial product and services. Next, scroll down and choose your country. Next up we have is campaign details where you can change the buying type and campaign objectives. Next we have A/B test. If you want to turn it on, you can do it. So next click on next. Here we have the awareness. So I will go with maximum reach of ads. Next we have this option cost per result goal. So you can set the amount here. Next we have budget and schedule. So you can set your daily budget from here and you can also schedule it. Next we have audience. You can customize your audience. And then we have placements where you want to run this ad, whether you want it on Facebook or Instagram. Okay. Next we have ad setup. So how you want to run your ad, whether it with a single image, carousel or collection. So I will go with collection where you can add multiple images or videos. Then we have add creative where you can add primary text and you can add headline. So to attract customer more, I will go with up to 90% off, which will be the main headline. Okay. Next we have this tracking option. You can track the person or people who are visiting your website and then click on publish. As you click on publish, then you need to add the payment method. So in this way, you can set up Facebook ad for maximum ROI. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.